And from the corners, the crepe junipers. Got some auto-looking laurels. Some more camellias. Lots of juniper. Some kind of arborvitae. It's like 3 arborvitaes and then a row of chindos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chindos. Other side. Back. What's that door? Some gardenia. Whatever that is. More roses in the front. Big old mag. And patio area. And then the last chindo. Looking out. Not sure what kind of tree that is. Looks like we've got some mums, some spirea, something else. You want those ball type? You want them balled up. Or petalum, she wants those balled up also. And some burning bushes. So that's that bed. Okay. And back of the house. Again, minimal stuff. Some carissas. Whatever kind of tree that is. That's a redbud. Some more spirea. Camellias. Nothing really to do back here. Some very large, nice looking green giants. Some chunky stuff up there. And that's the lower petalums.